So logarithm, when do we use logarithm, right? Is when we have the x as the power. Okay, we have the logarithm of, we have x, and when we have x as a power and we want the x to come down, right? Okay, so this thing is called, so what we do is we log both sides. Okay, so you can see the log and the log is introduced on both sides. All right, LG means log 10. Why do we use LG? Because your calculator can use LG only, or LN, okay, or log. Okay, when you log both sides, then you see this x side can come down to the front, to the x. So that's why we have x log 3 is equals to log 2, and then x is equals to divide by the log 3, and then it is 3SF form. When you have different base, what is a different base? You have base this and base this. That's when we log both sides so that the x can come down. All right. Now, if you see E, the opposite of the inverse of E is ln. So when you want to remove E, you must ln both sides. Okay. Even for numbers, if you put ln for the numbers one is also okay. But when you see E, you cannot use log. You can only use ln. Okay. So when you have ln this, can you see this one is the power? The power can come down in front. That's where this happens. So when you log both sides, this one is the power can come down in front. That's where this happens. All right. Then you realize, hey, why does the log E go missing? Because log and E are total opposite of each other. Log and E are total opposite of each other. So it's like you have sine and sine inverse. They are totally opposite of each other. Square root and square, they are totally opposite of each other. So they will cancel out each other. So that's why the log E no more. Okay, then at this point of time, when you want to find x, you got one x guy here and you got one x guy over here. Bring all the x to the left side, bring all the non-x to the right side. Then this part is called factorize. You factorize your x out. Same thing, you divide over, you put it in 3SF form. Okay, so right now I want you to take out your foolscap paper. Okay, right now I want you to take out your foolscap paper and do for me these 4 basic introductory questions. I make this very basic one because I want you all to understand it well and to be good at the basics before we can do the hard ones. Okay? Okay? Use this as a guide to help you. You can, for the first 2, you can use either log or you can use ln. It doesn't matter. But if you see E, you must use ln. You cannot use log.